In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you delete a custom field in Salesforce. So as you can see here, I'm on the home page of my Pro Suite edition, and I'm going to walk you through how to delete it, how you can determine which fields, how do you know which fields you can delete, because you cannot actually delete standard Salesforce fields, only the custom fields you've created. And so I'll show you a quick tip for how you can tell the difference, as well as if you accidentally delete a field that you don't want to delete, how do you get it back? Because you can get it back for a short amount of time, but after that, it's gone. So in today's video, that's what I'm going to walk you through. But first, I just want to share with you, I'm Natalie Gunther, and I'm founder of Catalyst Tech. I have spent over a decade in Salesforce Enterprise world, which is the org right above Pro Suite. And when they launched Pro Suite, I saw so much potential in it. I just wanted to bring what I know from Enterprise to you and help you get the most out of your Pro Suite. With that, we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to walk you through how to delete this field. So I have a field on my account table that I want to delete. It's a test field that I used for whatever, importing data or to check something or whatever, and I want to delete it now. So I'm going to go to this gear at the top right and click Open Advanced Setup. Now, there are a few ways you can get to Salesforce setup and things like that. There's a few different ways you could do this, but this is my favorite way. And I know this can feel scary because when you get in here, there's a lot of settings and it can feel overwhelming, but don't be overwhelmed because you'll get used to it and just take it off in little chunks. So in today's course or in today's session, we're going to go to Object Manager, and then these are all the objects. And for all intents and purposes, you can think of these as tables. Have another video that walks you through understanding what objects and fields really are. So be sure to check that out if you have more questions. But I want to get straight through deleting to the field. So we know it's in the account object. And if you're not sure where the field is, you might just have to explore a little bit. But once you find it, you'll go to the fields and relationships. And then again, there's all these areas on the left that relate specifically to this account object. And then your fields are all here. Let me make myself smaller. And so these are all the fields. Now, remember I told you some are standard and some are custom. These are all Salesforce standard fields. This is a custom field, and you can tell by the __C. So these are all, these two, that one, these two are all custom fields, and I can delete those. You can also see here on the right, there's an option here for more menu options. But I'm going to find my test field, and you can always use your quick find if you need to. Okay, so here it is, it's this checkbox. So I'm going to click this drop down, and I'm going to click delete. Now it gives me this warning. Of course, once you delete this data will be, you have 15 days to undelete it and restore the data in this field. But it's telling you some various things here. And basically it's telling you that you have 15 days to undelete it, and most things will be restored, but I'm going to walk you through a little bit of how you do that. So I'm going to delete that field, and then let's say I'm like, oh no, I accidentally needed that back. You just click this button here, and you can see the fields you've deleted, and you can click undelete. Before I do that, I just wanted you to note that it will do this. It will add this _del for delete into that API name, so that can affect some things. When you restore it, you will probably need to go in and remove that. So I'm just going to walk you through that as well. I clicked that. It gave me this weird screen. It brought me back into Salesforce Classic actually, but that's okay. Don't stress, just click OK. And then it brings me back to this field, and then I'm going to hit edit, and I'm just going to take out this del and save. I want to save that. Okay, save again, because that was just a warning. And now that's back. So I can go back to account fields. This is classic. If that's bothering you, just go back up here, switch to Lightning, and then if you want to go confirm that it's back, we just go back to where we were. Object Manager, Account, Fields and Relationships, and then look for that test again. And they're both back in operation just like I had them. But if I still want to delete it, I delete it, and then it's gone. So hope that helps, answers any questions you have, and be sure to check out that other video I have on understanding accounts and fields, and see if that helps you if you're struggling with how this works.